May adlaw mga koys, mga mga angkol, mga antig, mga kahigalaan o mga ka-wonders nato diha. Inyo na bang natanawan ang bagong pinaka-latest na tong video, which is our interview with May, atong TikToker, at the same time atong super blessed nga friend ug super happy kay atong friend karon. Depression is real good kaayo. I was once in that situation years back, and every now and then there are times na we may not acknowledge it as depression. Morning mga moments nga we wanted actually to isolate ourselves from the rest of the world, maskin sa atong loved ones, and sometimes even from ourselves. Dili na nato matgunan tungod kay we are depressed. That's a state of mind, and sometimes you really need to know the signs. Mao na nga, it is really helpful to be speaking to a friend, or at least speaking to a family member or someone close to you, someone who you trust. Just open up. There may be not any solutions na i-share sa inyo ha, but at least inyong na-release ang inyong pressure sa inyong mind o sa inyong heart para lang kini ma-share o dili na bugat para sa inyo ha. And if you're watching this video up to this moment, this is a sign na affected ka. Kung dili man, just go out with your friends. Speak to someone you love. Speak to someone you trust. Teka, salamat. Ako si Kuya Chakoy ninyo. Amping mo.